Welcome, in this video you will see Rtpinsertsound Sniffing and Snoofing Linux. A tool to insert audio into a specified audio stream was created in August-September 2006 timeframe. The tool is named Rtpinsertsound. It was tested on Linux Red Hat Fedora Core 4 platform, but it is expected this tool will successfully build and execute on a variety of Linux distributions. So let's start. Open terminal and type Rtpinsertsound --h to see options of Rtpinsertsound. Rtpinsertsound version 2.0. Usage is given here, that is header, compression, and some option that is -a, -b. Now let's insert an audio file through the network and use verbose output, that is -v. So type Rtpinsertsound /user share Rtpinsertsound /stapler.wav -v. Here you can see in user share Rtpinsertsound /stapler.wav file is present. Now click on enter. It will target interface 8080 lib_find_rtp_rtp using pcap filter IP. So that's all in this video on Rtpsound tool for sniffing and spoofing. Thank you for watching this video.